Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I do see that it's like 20 plus new y'all. And I see where y'all coming from, so that's why I'm coming back with y'all. Coming back to y'all today with a new how to make a wig video. I know I've been MIA. This is a sidebar before we get into the actual tutorial parts. Everything you see right now is very much self-explanatory. That's why it's pretty much beginner friendly. All you gotta do is watch and learn, listen, and look. Period. Sidebar. I know I've been MIA. I secretly had a baby on y'all. Yeah. Outside of having a secret baby on y'all, I've been on a deep spiritual and healing journey way before my baby was conceived, way before my baby was born. And if anything, having her here, yes, I have a little girl, having her here has just made me realize how much more grateful I am of this newfound evolution in consciousness that I have, because it's like I'm really out here breaking generational curses and generational cycles, and these are things that I've been doing, and I've allowed too many people access to me. I have and I've just been currently now, even still, I'm on a journey of self-reflection, just trying to find out who I am, the person that I want to be, because it's never too late in life to say, I could be better. Like, it's not ever too late in life to say that. I don't care if you're 60, I don't care if you're 80, I don't care how old you are. It's not ever too late in life to say that. And I feel like that's just really what spiritual and healing journey is, or at least where I am right now. And I used to be kind of like scared to say it, but now I'm not, because it's like this is my outward cry for help. I used to just like do things and hope that people would notice, but I've clearly learned a long time ago that not everybody is like me, that studies people that they love and try to love them in the love languages that they're displaying that they need most. Anywho, this is starting to sound like a podcast. And this is not that. So yeah. So we're going to get into the main topic of what this video is actually about, which is this wig, which is super easy. And I'm so happy I did it, because I literally made it last week, and it's been a lifesaver ever since. Not saying like I can't go out without in my natural state, but y'all see. All right, y'all. So anywho, a lot of these clips, now that we're at this part of the wig, basically, we can get into the actual tutorial part, because for the most part it's pretty repetitive. That's why I sped up a few clips in between, but not a lot, because I didn't want to make it too like not beginner friendly. So as you can see, I ran out of hairspray. Don't do that. Make sure you have plenty of hairspray, and if you have a blow dryer and all of that, that would even be better to like help lay down the tracks more whenever you finish spraying and help it dry quicker. I just didn't have no time. I literally had 30 minutes to make this wig to be somewhat presentable, because I impulsively cut off all my damn hair, y'all. I'm telling y'all, check on your strong friends. We are not okay. Check on your friends with kids. We are not okay. Do you hear me? We're not okay. Yes, I impulsively cut up all my hair. All of my hair. I had an interview that I completely forgot about. I had to make some shake, and I literally got this wig done in 30 minutes. Literally, probably less than 30 minutes. I mean, even though like I have help, I'm still a mama, so I still be like, you know, on mama time. And if you're a mama, you know what mama time is. Like, it's where you doing what you're doing, but you still got eyes and ears about what your baby doing too. If you're a mama, you know. You know. You know it would have took way longer than 30 minutes to get it done. Even gluing, even quick weaving. But yeah, got through it as fast as I can. I'm pretty sure you're already starting to see this is the track where I measured it first. And then instead of going curving how I was going in the first half of the video, I am starting to round it out straight across the crown area. I just basically start laying them straight forward, like straight across instead of curving the perimeter of the head, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining it as best as I can. I just pretty much do that to finish off the top half of the wig, just the rest of the wig. And when I say I had to make this wig in like, y'all, I still had to get it done in like 30 minutes because I remembered about the interview at 9:45 in the rising time. The interview was at 11. I have a kid. So thank God I had even more help that rising time. But yeah, yeah. But listen, a few things though that I recommend though, put a grocery bag or some type of bag, not a rag or a washcloth or a towel or nothing that's fabric up under the cap. Put a plastic or even saran wrap. Put something around your dome head so that the glue does not transfer from underneath the cap to the dome head. Otherwise, you'll be peeling the wig off of your mannequin head, but you have to wait till it's fully dry to do that, because if you don't, then you're gonna be trying to reglue tracks. So have a blow dryer to avoid that problem. Y'all, this is the easiest hairstyle wig to make. Like, it's so easy, it's so simple. Quick weave version. Now, this is not going to get on your hair. I promise you it's not. It's not going to get on your hair. Because you're already doing it on the cap, it's not going to get on your hair. If you sew, it's still the same thing. I kid you not. But let me know how it go if you do so. So, yeah, I rock with y'all. And yes, this is a very simple, quick, and easy wig to make. Just throw on a turban, a headband, a scarf, whatever you choose. And it's quick to the point. Like, I promise y'all, it's the most simplest and cost-effective thing ever. Anywho, I rock with y'all so much. If you made it to the end of this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See y'all in the next video. Mwah.